Hi there, welcome back to another Unity tutorial. It's another really simple one. This time I wanted to show you a loop called Foreach. And how it will work is we have a type like string person in people. For each loops kind of require you to use something like an array. So I'll just use an array of strings, call them people. Maybe I'll do basic syntax tutorials later on, but you'll be able to set up multiple people by using these curly brackets. I can say Felix, Abigail. Those are my 4 people. Maybe I could do Mark and Jack, my 4 people. People you might know. You could definitely print all the list of people to the console. For each loops are kind of inefficient if you are planning on also taking a number off of the list of people that we have. If you're trying to say like the first person is Mark, the second person is Jack, you're going to want to use a normal for loop for that because it just doesn't work that way with for each. Now that I have this set up, we can just go into Unity, click play. I forgot to open the console. Oops. Look at that. Mark, Jack, Felix, and Abigail. Oh, that is an X. Why did I read it as an S? I don't know. So that's the basic idea of what a for each loop can do. It's pretty simple. The alternative answer to the for each loop is to just use a normal for loop. I'm going to use P instead of I because I really hate I's. You basically get the idea of what I'm doing here if you've watched the last episode. I'm just going to go for the people.length. So I get the length of the people array. And then I can say print P plus colon space plus people of P. And there you go. That's your basic alternative method for the same thing. And what that looks like is this. Mark, Jack, Felix, and Abigail. And in the secondary version, we have 0 Mark, 1 Jack, 2 Felix, and 3 Abigail. Isn't that kind of interesting? You could imagine what you could do with something like this. Maybe set up a list of game objects and just do something to all of them individually or not individually. Anyway, have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial that I do for some reason. Bye.